rocket.
It's called a stomp rocket, Fenton? You saw one a couple of years ago. Do you remember?
Yeah. I'm gonna look inside.
Do you know what happens?
What?
So you stomp on it. It goes flying way up into the sky.
Whoa! And there's 4 missiles?
Whoa.
And whatever this is.
That's what you stomp on. You jump on that thing, and then that's what makes the missiles fly up. Do you remember that at all?
Yeah, but what's this base?
That's the base.
It's the base.
That's what it holds this part so that this part will go up straight like this.
Hey, Fenton, so we remember years from now. Tell Mr. Cameron how old you are today.
Oh, it's Mommy. There's some stuff that's was the one. Wait, how many is there supposed to be?
That's it.
3?
Are you going to tell Mr. Cameron how old you are?
6. So, how do you put them together?
Here's the instructions.